want to point something out about Revelation chapter 6 and the seven seals. I don't believe that just because, let's say, I think it's a misinterpretation or a misunderstanding, that when, let's say, for example, the rider on the white horse was given a bow and a crown and was placed on his head, and he rode out to win many battles and gain the victory. And the second seal was broken. Now, just because the second seal is broken, I don't think that means that the first horse stops riding or stops gaining the victory or doing what he does in the earth. I think this continues on until the second coming of the Lord. These things will continue. So that means that they're all progressing and they're all piling up on top of each other, and it's progressively becoming worse on the earth for the inhabitants thereof. So, just because the second horse is released, the second seal is broken, doesn't mean the first horse stops doing his thing that he does, to conquer and to win many battles. So, now when the second seal is broken, and he hears, John says, "I hear it come." And another horse appeared, a red one. Its rider was given a mighty sword and the authority to remove peace from the earth, and there was war and slaughter everywhere. Like I said, God said that the sun, the moon, and the stars will be for signs in the heavens for man. And this thing that this guy's seen, like I said, and I think many others seen it, this bright red star shooting across the sky, coming from the Pegasus, which is a flying horse constellation. To be seen is for a sign. Do I believe that the first horse is already out? Yes. The rider on the white horse is given a crown and a bow, and was going out to ride and win many battles and gain victory. Do I believe he's already out? Yeah, I believe so. Do I believe that the second horse is out? Yes. He's given a mighty sword and authority to remove peace from the earth, and there was war and slaughter everywhere. Look around. There's war and slaughter in almost every country in the world. And the Lamb broke this third seal, and I heard the third living being say, "Come." And I looked up and saw a black horse, and his rider was holding a pair of scales, a pair of scales in his hand. And a voice from among the four living beings said, "A loaf of wheat bread or 3 loaves of barley for a day's pay, and don't waste the olive oil and the wine." That is yet to come, I believe. I think we're just seeing the red horse, and we're about to see this next one with the scales and the loaves of barley for a day's pay. The black horse is next, after this red horse. That's what I think. And you could see that with the financial collapse in America, how the dollar's not worth anything anymore. And soon pretty much everybody will figure it out. God bless, amen.